Welcome back to Buy Smart. Today, we're diving into the world of cameras, where we'll be comparing the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 and the Sony Alpha 6700. Now, if you're thinking about stepping up your photography game or launching your vlogging career, you're in the right place. Grab your popcorn because it's about to get pixelated. First up, let's talk about the price. The ZV-E10 is priced at $799, while the Alpha 6700 takes a hefty bite out of your wallet at $1,399. That's a difference of $600. Reviewers of the ZV-E10 appreciate its affordability for vlogging and streaming, making it a great value for budget-conscious creators. In contrast, the Alpha 6700 is seen as a more expensive investment, but many users believe the higher price is justified by its professional-level features and quality. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty. The sensor. The ZV-E10 sports a large 24.2 megapixels APS-C Exmor CMOS sensor, which reviewers say delivers impressive image quality for vlogging and photography. On the other hand, the Alpha 6700 kicks it up a notch with a 26.0 megapixels APS-C Exmor R back-illuminated CMOS sensor, which many users find enhances low-light performance and overall clarity. If the ZV-E10 is a sturdy sedan, the Alpha 6700 is a turbocharged sports car, as indicated by user comparisons. Next, let's talk processing power. The ZV-E10 features the BIONZ X processor, which is praised by users for its reliability and speed. Meanwhile, the Alpha 6700 has the BIONZ XR processing power and a dedicated AI processor, making it a powerhouse for both amateurs and professionals alike. Reviewers highlight that this advanced processing allows for better autofocus and faster shooting speeds, making it a favorite among serious photographers. Let's get into video recording. The ZV-E10 offers 4K video oversampled from 6K with full pixel readout, which many users find to be fantastic for vlogging. However, the Alpha 6700 takes it further, offering 4K at 60p with 6K oversampling and high frame rate 4K at 120p. Reviewers rave about the video capabilities of the Alpha 6700, describing it as a game changer for videographers who want the best quality. Now let's talk about focus. The ZV-E10 has this nifty product showcase setting that smoothly transitions focus from your face to your product, which reviewers find extremely useful for product reviews. But the Alpha 6700 comes with dedicated AI recognition for accurate subject tracking, earning praise for its advanced autofocus capabilities. Reviewers of the Alpha 6700 often mention how it helps them capture fast-moving subjects with ease. Last but not least, let's discuss live streaming. The ZV-E10 makes it easy with a single USB cable and no extra hardware or software, which users appreciate for its simplicity. Meanwhile, the Alpha 6700 is more complex, requiring additional setup but offering advanced features that tech-savvy users enjoy. Reviewers of the ZV-E10 highlight its ease of use for quick live streams, while those with the Alpha 6700 enjoy the professional streaming capabilities it provides, despite the learning curve. Overall, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 is highly regarded for its affordability and user-friendly features, making it ideal for vloggers. Meanwhile, the Alpha 6700 is praised for its advanced capabilities, but some users find it more challenging to master. Both cameras cater to different audiences depending on their needs and expertise. So, there you have it. The Sony Alpha ZV-E10 is perfect for those who want an affordable, easy-to-use camera for vlogging and streaming. Meanwhile, the Alpha 6700 is for the serious photographer or videographer who wants the best of the best and doesn't mind spending a little extra. Remember folks, whether you're Team ZV-E10 or Team Alpha 6700, it's all about what fits your needs. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and drop a comment below about which camera you're leaning towards. Until next time, keep buying smart and stay pixel perfect. Don't forget, product links are in the description.